Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. Please remember that this review reflects my personal experiences. Choosing between Goldman Sachs and M&T Bank depends on your specific financial needs. This video provides a comparison to assist you in determining the best fit. Links to both institutions are included in the description for your convenience. Let's explore their features, target audiences, and strengths. Goldman Sachs, a global leader in investment banking, wealth management, and innovative financial solutions, offers high-yield savings accounts, personal loans, and certificates of deposit through its Marcus platform. This makes it particularly attractive for those seeking competitive interest rates and a seamless digital banking experience. Primarily serving high-net-worth individuals, businesses, and investors, Goldman Sachs provides sophisticated tools for international trading, portfolio management, and personalized financial advisory services. Its digital-first strategy and commitment to maximizing returns make it an excellent option for individuals seeking advanced financial solutions. In contrast, M&T Bank is a regional institution with a significant presence in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic United States. Offering a complete range of personal and business banking services, including checking and savings accounts, mortgages, personal loans, credit cards, and small business support, M&T Bank is known for its community-focused approach. They provide personalized service and a wide network of branches, making them a good choice for customers who prefer face-to-face interaction and local expertise. Their My Way banking account is a notable feature, designed for those seeking a simplified, low-cost banking solution without overdraft fees. The primary difference between these two institutions lies in their target demographics and service models. Goldman Sachs is best suited for individuals who prioritize wealth growth, investment opportunities, and a global financial perspective. Conversely, M&T Bank caters to individuals and small businesses needing practical, everyday banking services with personalized support and convenient local access. If competitive savings rates, advanced investment tools, and a digital-first experience are your priorities, Goldman Sachs might be the better choice. However, if you prefer a community bank with extensive branch access and a focus on practical solutions, M&T Bank may be a more suitable fit. Explore the links in the description for more detailed information. Let us know in the comments which bank aligns best with your financial goals.